I lost $10,000 trading AMC stock, and it was the best thing that ever happened. Here's why. I thought I was being smart. I spent $3,000 on Charles Payne's trading course. I learned chart patterns, technical analysis, risk management. Then I sold covered calls on AMC to generate safe income. But right before AMC exploded to $72, my shares got called away. I watched from the sidelines as everyone else made bank. $10,000 gone. I was devastated. But that loss taught me something no course ever could. Trading isn't just about knowing the right strategies. It's about having the right mindset. I lost that money because fear controlled my decisions. I played it safe when I should have been patient. I chose small wins over big opportunities. That $10,000 loss was the tuition I paid to learn the game. So I made a decision. If I had to pay $10,000 to learn this lesson, I wasn't going to waste it. I started documenting everything I learned, the mistakes I made, the psychology behind why traders fail, the mindset shifts that actually matter. And now we're sharing it all, free. Because if my pain can help even one trader avoid those same mistakes, that $10,000 becomes an investment, not a loss. That's why we created Market Mindset University, a free trading education course that covers chart patterns, risk management, technical analysis, and, most importantly, the psychology of trading, everything we wish we knew before we lost money. If you're a beginner trader who wants to learn from someone who's already paid tuition, grab our free Quick Start Guide. Links in the description. That $10,000 loss, it wasn't failure. It was tuition, the price of my education. And now we're giving it away, free. Download the guide, subscribe for daily lessons. Let's make sure you never have to pay $10,000 for the same mistakes. Welcome to Market Mindset University. We paid the price so you don't have to. Let's trade smarter, not harder.